Hello everyone, today we'll discuss about bytecode, which is key to Java's security and portability. Java solves the security and portability problems of web-based programs through bytecode and the Java Virtual Machine JVM. What is bytecode? The output of a Java compiler is not executable code. It is bytecode. Bytecode is a highly optimized set of instructions designed to be executed by the Java Virtual Machine JVM. The original JVM was designed as an interpreter for bytecode. How Java program runs. 1. Java source code, Java. 2. JAVIC compiler. 3. Bytecode, class, platform independent. 4. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. 5. Output, program execution. Bytecode plus JVM equals write once, run anywhere. Why bytecode? Portability. Only the JVM needs to be implemented for each platform. Once the runtime package exists for a given system, any Java program can run on it. All JVMs understand the same bytecode, even though their internal details differ. If Java produced native code, different versions would be needed for each CPU. That is not feasible. Security. The JVM is in control. It can contain the program and prevent it from causing side effects outside the system. Safety is further enhanced by restrictions in the Java language. How bytecode solves the major problems. Portability, easier to run everywhere, translate once to bytecode. Run anywhere a JVM exists. Same program runs on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, mobile devices, etc. Truly portable across platforms and architectures. Security, safer to run everywhere, JVM acts as a gatekeeper. Limits access to files, memory, network, other system resources. Prevents harmful actions and protects the user. Creates a secure execution environment, sandbox. Performance. Not as slow as you think. Programs interpreted by a virtual machine are slower than compiled native code. But Java bytecode is highly optimized. The JVM executes programs much faster than you might expect. Comparison. Feature traditional compiled languages, C, C++, Java, bytecode plus JVM, output native machine code, executable, bytecode, class file, platform dependence, different executables needed for different platforms, same bytecode runs on any platform with JVM. Execution, direct execution by operating system interpreted, and JIT compiled, by JVM. Security limited, depends on programmer and oxygen monosulfide, high, JVM sandbox plus language restrictions, portability low high, write once, run anywhere, performance very fast. Bytecode is highly optimized, blank. In essence, by compiling to bytecode and executing it with the JVM, Java achieves the perfect balance of portability, security, and performance. This is why Java is ideal for the internet and for the modern world. For Java performance boost, Hotspot and JIT compiler is used. Although Java was designed as an interpreted language, there is nothing about Java that prevents on-the-fly compilation of bytecode into native code in order to boost performance. The Hotspot technology was introduced not long after Java's initial release. Hotspot provides just-in-time, JIT, compiler for bytecode. What is JIT compiler? When a JIT compiler is part of the JVM, selected portions of bytecode are compiled into executable code in real time, on a piece-by-piece, demand basis. How JIT compilation works. 1. Java source code, write once, then. 2. Compiler, compiles the code then. 3. Bytecode, class file, platform independent, then. 4. JVM, Java Virtual Machine, interpreter. Interprets bytecode. JIT compiler, Hotspot, compiles hot, frequently used, bytecode into native code on the fly. 5th native code execution, runs with improved performance. Important points. It is not practical to compile an entire Java program into executable code at once because Java performs various runtime checks that can be done only at runtime. Instead, a JIT compiler compiles code as it is needed, during execution. Not all sequences of bytecode are compiled, only those that will benefit from compilation. The remaining code is simply interpreted. However, the just-in-time approach still yields a significant performance boost. Portability and safety remain intact. Even when dynamic compilation is applied to bytecode, the portability and safety features still apply because the JVM is still in charge of the execution environment. Key takeaway. Hotspot's JIT compiler compiles frequently used, hot, bytecode into native code on the fly, giving a major performance boost while keeping Java's core strengths, portability and safety, intact. Result: Java gets the best of both worlds, interpreter for safety and portability, JIT compiler for high performance.